Don't play with fire.
Do not let the fire zombie touch the
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. I'll share, Nick.
We must be friends on Facebook. And on that day, he proceeded to shove his PlayStation 3 controller into his eye socket. You're not dead yet? Now you are. Now you are. Wait, buddy.
sucks.
He's dead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no! Isn't that how you do it? Oh! Jesus! Jesus, man.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Yeah, of course. Don't let the fire zombies touch the dynamite. But they run. Some of them are hard to see when they're off screen. I'm sorry, Nick. Do you still love me? It's easier to... boom goes the dynamite. Ooh, thank goodness.
Oh, man.
Get out of here.
This majorly sucks.
You majorly suck. Why'd you have to get turned into a head? No. I did it. I saved it. Cut that chair in half. Plain and clean in half. Ooh, that's gonna completely fill up my zombie killing powers. Owned! Yeah, that's right. I win. That made things a lot easier. I'm not talking. Talk, boy. Talk. I'm just so hungry right now. Escape. Oh, man. Where's the door? Where's the door? Where's the door? I'm gonna make it. Did I make it? I didn't make it. Are you kidding me? I was right at the door. It was right at the door. You gotta be... Do not make me sit through a load screen. I'm cutting. Fucking... Never mind, I'm not cutting. I thought I was gonna... No, I have to have that lollipop. You don't understand. I died already.
Get through the door quickly.
Give me the lollipop. Okay, I made it to the door this time. I made it, right? Cool, I think I did. What is going on in this... What is going on in this cave room? It's like piles of dirt just appearing and disappearing. And then going boom. Oh my god.
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World.
Rotten world. Have a rotten day.
Oh,
You can't
man.
stop him, master.
There's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government.
I love this guy's voice.
Made my life a hell.
He sounds like he would stop you at a like airport. He'd be like, "Sir, sir, sir, please step through the."
Why did you do this to my school?
What? You didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey, leave her alone. Wait till I get my hands on you.
Sir,
Malicious
Wait till
lords.
Juliet
I
gets her
invoked the
hands
dark
on her.
forces in declaring myself god of this realm. As the pawn is
Fat
present,
chance.
may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear now.
What are you talking about? I'm really regretting my decision to eat that candy bar. Did he separate me and him into 5 parts? What no? Get out of there.
Sensei!
Old man. You show him your ass and then you let him motorboat you. What happened to your voice? Oh, that's a different person.
I'm your new master, and I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way!
So is this entire game gonna take place in the school?
I did it! Alright guys, time for you to rot this entire school, and everyone in it.
I don't know, I don't feel like I've been talking enough, but I've been trying to stay quiet. Stay quiet through the cutscenes mostly. And I've been trying not to laugh obnoxiously loud. Because that's just annoying. And stupid. Nobody likes it. Nobody would like my videos if I did that. Hey, don't you call him that. That's a dirty word. Wordy dirt. What in the hell? I'm sorry, that was an attack. Are you kidding me right now? You woot.
Oh, hell.
And we're back. What is that thing? You kidding me? It just loaded. What is this? You better not make another load screen before I fight this guy.
Welcome to the mosh pit! You
Wow, what happened here?
I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
Ow.
No one told me we were
I
gonna
like
have to
how
deal
I
with
was-
giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh,
My
that
Chemical
song,
Romance
Teenager.
one.
You heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy.
My Chemical Romance
What do you think about
wannabe.
this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you can do better.
It's a bad catchphrase. I like that one because it can stun them. Don't drop that car on me. I'm gonna dodge it.
Shit.
I'm gonna dodge it.
Look out!
Oh man, I hit triangle. I mean, I hit circle.
Yeah, baby, no.
What the nuts? I got killed in... You gotta be kidding me. So yeah, one bad button press and you get killed. That's mature Suda Goichi. That's real mature. I mean, to be fair, it was highly warned, but highly what's it called? What is the word? When it's telegraphed, telegraphed, I think. You know, I'm gonna restring my guitar with your face, so shut up. No one wants to hear your voice, boy. What? Why do you insist on targeting that one? Just out of curiosity. There we go. It takes some excellent precision to be able to kill these guys like 3 at a time. You just gotta be like, hey, get that fence out of my way. I am just fed up with this. Give me that lollipop. How many lollipops do I got? How? I can't. I have plenty of lollipops. Whoa, get off the ground.
Your face gonna be a sweet
I can't move anywhere, but I'm still dodging somehow. Volvo. Well, she asked me to talk dirty. And so what did you say? Volvo. Excuse me? I hit circle. You've got to be kidding me. Oh. Cut the... Never mind. You know what to do. Oh my god, that was so stupid. I freaking...
He made a stage for all the
freaking
cars
did
in San
it.
Romero.
Oh my god, total waste of a Volvo.
Once again, Volvo. I'm just gonna keep dodging like that. Chop Shop's crispy chicken. We got Salisbury steak and we got crispy chicken. The best crispy chicken in town. What else do they have? Sushi. Okay, am I gonna actually dodge whenever I hit dodge this time? Because I totally did. Wow, they actually did it. Woo. They surprised me with that one.
What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason!
Indeed. Conk. Call him Conk. Get that out of here. You kidding me?
Get out of my way!
Eh, elbowed him off. Stop going to sleep, Monitor. I'm tired of your face. Did you call me a slut? I'm a virgin, I'll have you know. Oh, I don't have anything to talk about anymore. This level is just dragging on now. I just want it to be over, so... Oh. Jeez, man. So I can go get some food. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This is so stupid. It's not even that bad, because they give you so much time, but I'm so just not in the mood for that. Yeah, shut up. Oh my god. This level is dragging on for so long. I just want to save it. I just want to save it. I hate you. Actually, no, this game is pretty cool. This game's been pretty good to me so far. Other than these stupid quick time events, which are just destroying me.
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass!
I was focused.
To spike his mohawk this morning.
It's bad that I had to focus that hard on that. I was like, come down here and fight me. And please don't summon zombies. Like that's gonna happen.
I'm loving this
Actually,
shit.
does Pseudo 51 really make hard bosses? Not so much. You didn't even give me a chance to open my lollipop. Jerk. I know you guys are just gonna get a kick out of me dying like 4 times in a row for those stupid quick time events. I was just so mad. What?
Torturing small
He likes
animals?
torturing small
What kind of
animals?
whacked up waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skylander here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Open.